Again, this is just the side information being added. And without it, we just have the beat. Hey guys, I'm just Jono, and I recently heard something interesting from the Mr. Bill podcast, talking with AU5 on how he likes to process his side information. I also watched AU5's recent video on the free SpectralCompressor, which is absolutely amazing. And I got Combobulator also recently from DataMind. So I wanted to throw them all together into this weird side processor. For now we have it set up for sidechain from the SpectralCompressor. But you can use all of its modes for a unique result. But we want to run Combobulator in parallel with the clean signal, but Combobulator is only having the side information. Then I'm adding a reverb for some added width and space, but mostly to add other artifacts that I can boost with this utility. After that, it goes into the SpectralCompressor, where I think a lot of the artifacts combined with how these bands process adds a lot more than just the Combobulator. Only problem I've noticed with this free plugin SpectralCompressor is how the playhead sort of becomes disconnected when this window is active. Valhalla seems fine, but I'm pressing the spacebar and nothing's changing. That's why I've mapped it all to this rack. Here we have output gain, attack release for the compressor, window size for the compressor as well. These two blue ones are for the Combobulator XY though, for these two. As well as having the global threshold, the mix, and the upwards and downward ratios here for the compressor, the mode switch here, and the reverb stuff here. So here's the beat with the regular volume. This is just the side information. And then the beat. Can also change the different algorithms, or artist brains if they call them. Again, this is just the side information being added. And without it, we just have the beat. So I think it adds quite a bit to the mix, and this is just on the master sidechaining itself, without the SpectralCompressor. Quite a bit quieter. You're just getting this Combobulator artist brain artifacting into reverb, but this compressor is really pushing a lot of the spectral nature, especially with when it compressing itself, sending its signal into itself. It's really interesting, in my opinion. We can really tighten it down and listen to how it's actually affecting this, as well as changing the window size. Get these really cool grains. I'm sure there's a lot of possibilities with these new plugins. I just got them today. I'm super excited to try out Combobulator more. But this video is not sponsored or anything. I just bought this plugin myself because I wanted to support the homies and try it out. It looks really interesting. So if you want to like this video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, JonosTunes as well. Link in the description for the rack. But thanks for watching, everybody. This is really fun rack to make.